Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the truth about the GoPro Hero Black and the hypersmooth stabilization during the night. I mean, I'm talking about real dark situations. I'm not talking about like an intermediate light when you're during the night standing on a parking lot which is fully illuminated with a floodlight, the thing which you see on other YouTube videos, and then they're claiming, yeah, it's not so bad. This is in my backyard and it's almost pitch dark except from these really small solar pathway lights, and you can see it's absolutely impossible to shoot a smooth video. It's shaking like crazy and the quality is not really good. So I would say the light sensitivity of the sensor is really not up to date, not comparable to latest Samsung smartphones or iPhones or these things. I mean, when we go close to such a light, then you can see that's improving, but as soon as we go a little bit further away again from such lights, then it's really going bad, and it has nothing to do with this editor or so. I mean, of course I have to edit this video, there's no way around this, and of course also YouTube is doing some compression, but it has nothing to do with that. I can tell you this is just as bad as it is. It's not good. I mean, I love the GoPro during the day, it's really nice, but I mean it's pretty similar. I would say the quality is pretty similar to the GoPro 5, 6, maybe 7. I mean, in the 7 there was a huge improvement, especially regarding stabilization, but regarding the quality, video quality, there is not much improvement now in the 10 versus the 7, especially not during the night. I have done a couple of comparisons and I couldn't find any improvement, so I think the sensor, the optical sensor, is not or hasn't been improved really in the last couple of years, and it's a little bit disappointing that it falls so much back behind like current smartphones or so. When we are talking about the latest smartphones, they are much superior regarding quality and also regarding stabilization during the night. Unfortunately, I don't have one. I have seen some footage of them during the night and they seem to be much better. GoPro, I love it. It's a good camera, no question about that. But during the night, if you want to shoot something during the night, I mean, as long as you're using a tripod, there's absolutely no problem with that. It will shoot nice footage. You can also go to the ISO 1600. I mean, by the way, here I'm using the default values. I haven't changed anything. It's 1080p 30 frames, which I'm always doing during the day, which is really good to save battery and still have very good quality, but during the night it's almost completely failing, and I just wanted to let you know. And as always, I'm also interested into your own experience. What do you think about that? What's your experience? Maybe you have same camera and you want to know if I have also same experience. Whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.